Now this is a u plus v, means you can break it into parts, that is ddx of u plus ddx of v, where u is 1 and v is cos 2t. So just break it. Once again you should note that you are differentiating with respect to x. So here 1 by 2 is taken as a multiplicative factor, and this is u plus v. So we will break this, and ddx of 1 will be 0, because the ddx of constant term is always 0, and ddx of cos 2t, that will be minus sin 2t, and ddx of 2t means this 2t. So this 2 will be out, and dx of 2t, ddx of t. So finally like this, means just solving, and we give dt by dx, and put t equal to log x. Here t is equal to also log x, so ddx of log x will be 1 by x. So finally minus 1 by x sin 2 log x will be the answer. Now moving to the next, y equal to e power sin x. So in shortcut we will do, if in shortcut we will do, then we will e power sin x into ddx of sin x. So answer will be e power sin x into cos x, because ddx of sin x will be cos x. But if we do it by step method, then put sin x equal to t, that is y will be equal to then e power t, and differentiate with respect to x. So you will get like this. Now put t equal to sin x, so ddx of sin x. So e power sin x, ddx of sin equal to minus cos x. So minus e power sin x into cos x. That will be the answer. Here is something wrong. ddx of sin x is not minus cos x but only cos x. So here should not be minus. Means in the previous question here is only plus, here minus should not be. Just to remove the minus, you should make the improvement yourself. Remove the minus, the answer is only e power sin x cos x, no minus. As a answer you are seeing there is no minus, here mistakenly minus has been written. So now moving to the next question. Differentiate tan 1 by x. So writing the equation first. Put 1 by x equal to t, then y will be tan t. Now differentiating with respect to x. So that will be 1 plus t square and ddx of t, ddx of this t, and putting the value of t, which is 1 by x square, 1 by x. So here we have note, if here you are putting 1 by x, then you should also put t equal to 1 by x at this place. That is the thing. You have to put t equal to 1 by x also here. That is 1 by x whole square. Now this is better. So that will be x square by 1 plus x square by, that is x square plus 1 by x square, and this x square will go up. So x square by x square plus 1. So ddx of x minus 1. So this will we have now x power n, where n is minus 1. So we will differentiate it. So it will be just minus 1 x power minus 2. When you differentiate it, means when you will differentiate x power minus 1, then minus 1 will as n, here will be x minus 1 minus 1, that is nx n minus 1. So that will be like this. So this x square and this x power minus 2 will add, and that will be 0. So x power 0 will be 1. So there will be minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 will be add. So this will be 0, x power 0. So that will be x power 0 is 1. So minus 1 by x square plus 1. That is the answer. Now moving to the next question. Look here the previous questions. Note I have written the formula for tan inverse t. If you differentiate tan inverse t, then you will write like 1 plus t square. So in this question, if there is tan inverse 1 by x, then this method is good. But here is not tan inverse, here is only tan t. So differentiating like this is wrong. So we have to, I again repeating you, if there is a tan inverse t, then ddx of tan inverse t is 1 by 1 plus t square into ddx of t. That is the better, and you will get this answer. But here you should know that here is only tan 1 by x. So yes, putting, if you put 1 by x equal to t, then y will be equal to tan t. So if you differentiate tan t with respect to x, so ddx of tan t. So ddx of tan t is sec square t, not this. This is for tan inverse t. So that is the big blunder that have been made. So just improving. So finally you will get the answer like this. Note here is you ddx of tan t will be sec square t and dt by dx. Put t equal to 1 by x at here and here. So ddx of x minus 1. So this will be on differentiation, will give minus 1 times x power minus 2. On rearranging, this will give like this. So finally this will be the answer. So you are seeing the RSL study material, just see more and more video and increase your more knowledge. Now moving to the next question. Y equal to tan inverse tan square x. Differentiate it. So we will put tan ax equal to t, and this tan square t can be written as a whole square t. This and this have same meaning. Now put tan t equal to z. Again putting. So we have taken two put. The question is this, and after putting ax equal to t, the question become like this. And again after putting this, the question become like this. So question is changing from here to here. So now fill as a, once again I am saying that fill, F-E-E-L, fill that this is x square. So if this is x square, so differentiation of x square will be very simple, n x n minus 1. Recall the formula, ddx of x power n is n times x power n minus 1. So here will be 2 times differentiating the above function with respect to with respect to x, this will be 2 times into z power 2 minus 1 and dz upon dx. note this will be 2 times z power 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, that is z power 1. So that will be 2z and dz upon dx. Now put the value of the z. So z is what? This is 10x, sorry 10t. dy by dx into 2. Again big mistake. Z is 10t. Z is 10t. Equal to z equal to 10t. So ddx of 10t will be sec square t and dt upon dx. Now put t equal to ax at each place. Put t equal to as. Finally our answer should become in terms of x, because the question is in terms of x. So putting t equal to ax, so that will be 2ax into sec square ax into sec square ax into ddx of ax. So 2 times 10ax into sec square ax. So ddx of ax will be 8 outside and ddx of ax. ddx of x, this will be 1. That is a. Sec square ax. So that will be the final answer. So in this way we got the answer in terms of the x. So 3 point is important, that is putting equal to 10t equal to z and z equal to 10t, and again putting t equal to ax. So our final answer will come ax. Now this putting we have done so that we could make the differentiation easily. That's why we have made such types of the putting. Now moving to the next question. The question is like this: differentiate it. Very easy. ddx of cos, suppose that this is x, capital X, so ddx of cos x will be minus sine this and ddx of this. So the ddx of ax square plus bx plus c will be 2ax plus b. So answer will be minus in bracket 2x plus b into sine this. Very easy question. Now differentiating with respect to x, or if you want to do step by step, then put equal to t, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to t. If you want to do step by step and differentiating with respect to x, so you will get 2ax plus b so 2x plus b dt by dx, or 2ax plus b into dx will be dt. Okay, this is the lengthy process. So y equal to cos t, if you will put this, then y equal to be cos t, and then differentiating with respect to x, not t. Differentiating with respect to s, you will get minus sin t and dt upon dx. This t, dt upon dx. Now put the value of the t. We should also put the value of t here. Means putting the value of t here and here simultaneously. Note again that if you put the value of t, that is x square plus bs plus c, and you differentiate like this, then you will get dt upon dx as a 2x plus b. So finally you will get minus 2x plus b into sine ax square plus bx plus c equal to plus c. That is the only answer. This is the minus. So in this way you are taking too much time. This is just a 2-line question. Do directly. Do directive means differentiate this function with respect to s, that is ddx of cos ax square plus bx plus c will be minus sine ax square plus bx plus c into ddx of ax square plus bx plus c. So minus sine ax square plus bx plus c, and this will be 2ax plus b, and this term will be 0. So try to it to do in the fast mode, and your step by step method has been already done here. And if you do with the fast method, then you have a better practice to solving the question in the limited time, and in this way you will save the time and you will get better mastery over the mathematics as far as calculation is concerned. So now moving to the next So here you are saying that okay, this is the answer. So here you are saying that y equal to sin tx square plus t. Put this as a t, then this will be sin t, and differentiating with respect to x. So after differentiating with respect to x, you will, this will be cos t and dx of t. So t can be written as a x square plus 1. So differentiating this, you will find 2x plus 0. This will behave same as x power n. This will be 2x plus 0. So finally this will be 2x time cos square, 2s time cos x square plus n 1. This is the answer. Note here, there is no meaning of doing such a kinds of the things, because this is generally wasting of the time. So such a kinds of the working is very useful when you go in the differentiation, but here there is no practical use. But this is the better well done here, differentiation. So you can also learn something here. This is x square plus 1. If you differentiating with respect to s on both sides, so that will be 2x plus 0, and this will be dt by dx. So we could not get any benefit of this working. So finally this will be the answer. Note, you are selling RSL study material. Just see more and more video and increase your more knowledge. Keep away the tension, pressure, stress, strain, everything just outside your mind, and just get rid of unnecessary pressure that is produced from your teachers. So that's all about this. Just play forward and resume the video. This is your choice, and you can do it infinite times, as you know. So learn the mathematics in the fast mode by RSL study. Thanks.